if you do build a great experience, customers tell each other about that. Word of mouth is powerful. Jeff Bezos. A brand for a company is like a reputation for a person. You earn reputation by trying to do hard things well. Another quote from Jeff Bezos. Mention Apple, and you think about the iPhone, iPad, iMac, iTunes, the Apple Store, Apple Pay. What about the brick and mortar Apple Store? I don't think I've ever gone to a mall and not seen it buzzing with customers. People trying out gadgets, people waiting for the customer service rep. You know, when you enter, you are typically immediately greeted and asked how you can be helped. You're logged into their customer service system and usually told who will be helping you. You may need to wait, but there's a lot to capture your attention. And you don't mind because most likely you get good service and obtain what you want, a great product. Most likely you leave the store feeling great. Basically, Apple has served up a great experience and you tell your friends. So, what does this have to do with pre-construction condominiums? Everything. Buying a pre-construction condo can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it's important to do your research and choose a builder with a good reputation. In this episode, we'll discuss why builder reputation matters and factors to consider when you evaluate the builder's reputation. In today's episode, we'll discuss the importance of assessing builder reputation when selecting a pre-construction condominium project and focus on some things like quality and reliability, pre-selling, and risks such as canceling of a project. So why does builder reputation matter? Well, for starters, a good reputation is typically a sign of quality and reliability. That said, you will find that a builder with a good reputation is more likely to deliver on their promises and have a history of delivering high quality projects on time and on budget. On the other hand, a builder with a limited or not so stellar reputation may cut corners, may use subpar materials, or fail to deliver on their promises, leaving you as a buyer with a subpar condo and a lot of frustration. But how do builders build a good reputation? And there are several factors that contribute to the builder's reputation. And these include their track record, customer service, and transparency. A builder with a long track record of successful projects is more likely to have a good reputation, as builders who prioritize customer service and have open communication with their buyers. They are typically proud to display their successes. So what can you do? Couple things. Research. It's important to do your research when considering a pre-construction condo. Look into the builder's track record, their history, their reputation in the industry. These are some of key factors that you need to make sure you check. Also, check out reviews from previous buyers. And if you have a chance, talk to people who have worked with them in the past. Quality assurance. A reputable builder will have a strong quality assurance program in place. This ensures that the project meets the highest standards of quality and that any issues are addressed promptly and effectively. That's another key hallmark of a reputable builder. With regards to transparency, a good builder will be transparent about their processes, their costs, timelines. They would be willing to answer any questions you have and provide you with all the information you need to make a high quality and informed decision. Ultimately, investing in a pre-construction condo is a long-term investment. By choosing a builder with a good reputation, you're not only ensuring that you're getting a quality product, but you're also increasing the chances that your investment will appreciate over time. And that's what you're looking for. Let me give you a little bit of an overview of what the builder goes through. So building a condominium project in the Greater Toronto Area, or GTA, requires a significant amount of planning, preparation, and permits. Before construction even begins, builders conduct research on the location and determine the feasibility of the project. This research includes assessing the zoning laws, land use regulations, and environmental impact of the proposed development. Once the location has been chosen, builders must then work with the architects and engineers to create the appropriate designs. So they're putting together blueprints and floor plans, etc., and also obtaining any necessary permits. However, while doing this, they must ensure that all plans and features comply with building codes and regulations. On top of that, they will need to obtain approvals from various government agencies. Let's pause here. So now, before any shovels hit the ground for pre-construction condo projects in the GTA, there's a phase that's called pre-selling. Pre-selling typically involves pre-selling a certain percentage of units before construction can begin. This is known as the pre-construction phase. The percentage of units that need to be pre-sold can vary from project to project, but it's often around 70 to 80% of units in a particular project need to be sold before the shovels can hit the ground. There are a few reasons why pre-selling is required. Number one, it helps to ensure that the developer has sufficient funds to complete the project. By pre-selling a large percentage of units, the developer can generate the capital needed to cover the construction costs. Second, pre-construction helps to gauge the demand for the project, which can inform decisions around pricing and unit design. It's worth noting that the rules around pre-selling can vary depending on the municipality, on the specific project, etc. Some municipalities may require a higher percentage of pre-sales before construction can begin, while others may not have any requirements at all. So why does this matter? In some cases, this pre-selling may take more time than originally estimated. And usually, a more reputable builder will see the project through, even with extended timelines for pre-selling. A smaller or less reputable builders, or they could be newer builder, may end up canceling the project due to the extended time to conduct pre-sales. So why? What are some of the reasons for canceling this project? One of the most common reasons is a change in market conditions. If the demand for a particular type of property decreases, a builder may choose to cancel the project to avoid any financial losses. Another reason could be the lack of funding or financing. So if a builder is unable to secure the necessary funds for a project, they may need to cancel it. This can happen if interest rates rise or if lenders become more cautious. Other reasons could include environmental concerns, could lead to the project being canceled. So if a builder is unable to meet the environmental regulations, or if there are concerns about the impact of the project on the environment, the project may be canceled. Yet another reason may be unexpected technical difficulties. These can also lead to a project being canceled. And this could include issues with land, unexpected costs, delays in obtaining necessary permits or approvals, or similar things like that. In general, builders may cancel projects for a variety of reasons, the most common being a change in market conditions or lack of funding or financing. In any case, once a project has appropriate financing, the builders can begin the actual building process. They ensure the construction process is safe and adheres to all the building codes and regulations. And once construction is complete, the builders must obtain a final inspection and occupancy permit from the city. This ensures that the building is safe and it meets all the building codes and regulation. Builder reputation and track record is an important factor to consider in the complex nature of a condominium construction project. You want to be able to have an excellent experience with a great end product, the condo unit, that you can add to your investment portfolio. You want to walk away with a smile on your face, feeling great about your investment. Remember, choosing a builder with a good reputation is crucial when it comes to buying a pre-construction condo in the GTA. When evaluating a builder's reputation, look for the factors like their track record, customer service, and transparency. And don't be afraid to ask tough questions. A good reputation is a sign of quality and reliability and can help ensure that your condo purchase is a positive experience. With these tips in mind, you can feel more confident in your decision to buying a pre-construction condo in the GTA. Like what you hear? Follow us on your favorite podcast app and leave a rating and review. I'm thankful for the excellent work of my producer, Stories and Strategies. I have one last request. Please share this episode with one friend. Thank you.